So, self-raising flour, some baking powder, we have some yogurt, some lemon, and I'm gonna add some turmeric in there as well. Feels a little bit dry to start with, but just keep working it, it'll come together. It's kind of quite crusty at the moment. That will change in a second. It's gonna taste amazing. And that is what you're after. Nice firm dough. We're gonna sit that aside for about 10 minutes and letting it rest. So our flatbread dough has been resting for about 10 minutes and it's good to roll out. So I'm just going to cut it into 4. And I want to roll out some big, gnarly flatbreads that can get cooked in this pan. So that's how big our flatbread. We've got a lot of lamb, we've got a lot of tabbouleh, and we've got a hungry crew. Yeah, that's right. Start rolling this out. So you want it about 2 millimeters thick. The key to rolling this out is you kind of want your flatbread to be as even as possible, so it cooks, you know, nice and even in the pan. There's only one thing to do now.